Welcome, children of all flavors. This is a Black-Matician quick lesson video, and it's going to be all about the coordinate plane.
1, 2, 3.
It's the Black-Matician. 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 That's me. Of course, let's start with the vocabulary. So, a coordinate plane is formed by the intersection of a horizontal number line and a vertical number line. The bolded lines on this coordinate plane, those are going to be our horizontal and our vertical number lines. The horizontal number line is what we call the x-axis, and the vertical number line is what we call the y-axis. When the number lines intersect, that's what we call the origin of our coordinate plane. So right in the middle right here is what we call our origin. And when you have those two number lines intersect, it creates four different regions, which we call quadrants. So the top right region is going to be called quadrant 1. The top left region is going to be quadrant 2. Bottom left is quadrant 3. And bottom right is quadrant 4. Now, the way that we move around a coordinate plane is by using something called an ordered pair. And the ordered pair tells us where our point is located on the plane. The ordered pair consists of two pieces of information. It tells us where the x coordinate corresponds on the number line along our x-axis, and it tells us where the y coordinate corresponds on the number line on our y-axis. For instance, I'll start with the origin, and our origin is the intersection. It doesn't move anywhere along the x-axis or anywhere along the y-axis, so that ordered pair is going to be 0 and 0. So the origin is always going to be 0, 0. A normal ordered pair, let's say our ordered pair is 4, 7. This ordered pair tells me that from the origin, I'm going to move 4 units in the positive direction on the x-axis, so on our number line, and I'm going to go 7 units in the positive direction on the y-axis on our number line. And I'll explain how to plot that in just a second. But that's pretty much all the vocabulary you need about coordinate planes. Let's do some examples. Example number 1. Use the graph to write an ordered pair corresponding to the point G and J. So first, let's figure out where the origin is. So here's our origin. We know that ordered pair is 0, 0. They want to know where is G and where is J. All right, so let's do G first. So starting from the origin, we have to go along the x-axis first, and then we're going to go up or down the y-axis. So from the origin, to get to G, we went 1, 2, 3, 4 units in the negative direction. So the x-coordinate of G is going to be -4. And then we went 2 units in the y direction positively. So that's going to be a 2. So G is at -4, +2. J, we are going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 units in the positive direction on our x-axis. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 units down our y-axis, making that negative. So J is going to be at 4, -4. Let's do another example. Plot 4, -2 and 0, -3 in the coordinate plane, and then describe the location. So when they say describe the location, they want to know which quadrant is it in. So first I'm going to do is locate my origin. So we know this is the origin, and we are going to plot -4, 2. So from the origin, we're going to go -4 spaces on the x-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go +2 spaces on the y-axis, which is going to be up. So 1, 2. So this is going to be the point -4, 2. Now let's do 0, -3. So on the x-axis, we're not going to move anywhere because our x-coordinate is 0, but our y-coordinate is -3. So we are going to move down 3 units on the y-axis. 1, 2, 3. And there you have it. That is 0, -3. Now, the question is, where are these points located? Well, 4, -2 is in the second quadrant. So this is going to be quadrant 2. And 0, -3 is not in any quadrant. However, it is on the y-axis. So describing the location, we can say on the y-axis. It's not inside any of the quadrants because it's on our vertical number line. And that's everything you need to know about the coordinate plane calculator. Coronavirus got you sitting on the couch watching TV and your life's passing you on by. You're thinking, well, maybe I'll go to school next year or maybe next semester. No, do it right now. I work with you whenever you want. You can watch me before you turn on the PlayStation and after you turn on the PlayStation. Whatever you need to do to graduate. Go subscribe right now. I'm out here to help you. You spend all day on your phone anyway. Might as well subscribe to a channel that's going to help you in your future. All you got to do is pick up the phone and subscribe. Why are you making this so complicated? It's easy. Matter of fact, I'm going to subscribe to my own channel right now.